Now here we have a question. It's an inequality question. The question is asking, is b square less than or equal to a square or not? So we always like to simplify such expressions if possible. So this question's term further becomes, is b square minus a square less than or equal to 0, which can further become, is b minus a times b plus a less than or equal to 0 or not? And the answer of this question needs to be given in the form of either yes or no. Now let's start looking at the statements. The first statement says that b is less than or equal to a. Now, there are two possibilities that we could look at. The first is we could take b equal to a, that is case number 1. If b is equal to a, then b square will be less than or equal to a square. So the answer to the question will be yes. Now, the next case, case 2, we take b equal to minus 2, while we can take a equal to 1. So minus 2 is less than 1, but if you square them, then minus 2 square is not less than equal to 1 square. That means the answer to the question is no. Since we have this inconsistency visible, so we say that the first statement is not sufficient to answer the question. Now let's look at the second statement. The second statement says that a plus b is equal to a minus b. Now, if we simplify this equation, a can be cancelled out. In fact, we are subtracting a from both sides, so we understand b is equal to minus b, or we can say 2b is equal to 0. That means b is definitely equal to 0. Now the question is b square less than equal to a square? Now this becomes b square has to be 0. Can 0 be less than or equal to a square? Then the answer is always yes, because irrespective of what value a takes, even if a is 0, the result is equal. If a is anything greater than 0 or less than 0, a square is always positive and the answer will still be yes. Right? So we can take all the three possibilities. If a equal to 0, then the answer is yes. If a is equal to minus 1, then 0 is less than equal to minus 1 square, so the answer is once again yes. If a is equal to plus 1, then 0 is less than equal to plus 1 square as well, the answer is again yes. Since we have the consistent yes here, that means the second statement is definitely sufficient and answer of the question becomes option B, which means statement 2 alone is sufficient but statement 1 alone is not sufficient. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more such informative videos. Thank you so much.